Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Thakur, and today after a short break I am back to share with you some of the beauty finds from Amazon which are really affordable and winter appropriate and the coming season appropriate. Good for gifting, good for adding in your collection. Amazon is having great Indian sale, so you can grab lot of beauty products in amazing prices after sale, and this is the best time to shop all the skincare, makeup, a lot of fashion items, and they have so many brands and 30-day easy returns. So check out the sale, and let's talk about the products. Recently relocated and my skin was troubled by the dust and the moving and all that stressors, external and internal. So yes, I have been using these products and these have been really helpful, so I want you to use them as well. So let's get started. So let's talk about the facial mists first. I am somebody who has facial mist in all places, like my bathroom, my vanity, my gym bag, my studio. So these are the really affordable ones that are really effective. I lost the cap of this one, but it still stays and does not leak. So another plus. This one is their rose water one, the Mom's Co, and this one is their ceramide one. I know, even mist, the mist that actually spreads and it smells like so good. I don't know what flower in here. Feels so fresh right now. Yes, as you can see, the mist is really good in this version, and that is what I look for in a mist. Like, okay, the ingredients are must, but the feeling that you get from a dispersing mist is, some other level. So this one on the other hand has little straight mist, so it just points out, like it pointed out on my left eye, because I was like facing it. So but if you are a rose water girl and you want rose water in your skincare, then this is a good one. It has hyaluronic, so it just helps soothing out your skin. It has aloe vera as well, sun protection, and this has always been with me. I have this everywhere: studio, my gym bag, everywhere. Again, same stuff. Why? Because it just makes the skin gives it a little bit more life along with sun protection. My other sunscreens for the body specifically are like, they are decently priced, but they do not give the skin that kind of texture that you get from a body lotion, and it does both body lotion and moisture and sun protection in one. So, and it is almost finished. I need to restock my studio screen, and I've been using for a week now, and face washes usually show the effect in few days because they do not sit on your skin much. You only see the texture just post wash, and this actually makes your skin that squeaky clean, that smooth, like you have just gotten a facial done or you have just applied some hydrating mask. So I don't know what's inside this. It has a lot of good ingredients. I could read it from the back. So yes, this day cream is also good. I will give this 8 on 10 because this is more of a gel based, not much for that extensive moisture you want for your winter nights, but for daytime it's so good and it sits so well on your skin. So I have applied this, no the serum, nothing, and just hide like SPF mist, which actually does not, which is my next product, which does not change any visibility on your skin, like it doesn't make your skin glow or anything. So it's all about this, what's my skin doing like. So it's not super dewy, it's just the right amount of clean sheen. Yeah, that rhymed. So yeah, this is the product that's doing its job. Next one is this mist I was talking about, which I applied over my day cream because I needed sun protection, right? So I applied it, and mine is almost finished. I don't have it right now with me, unfortunately, but my bottle is almost finished. So why I love it is that it does not look like anything. So if you apply it on your body, it's a demerit because you don't feel like you have applied anything, and you always feel like applying it on the same area until it's visible, but nothing is visible. So that makes me feel like I have applied nothing, and I have to sometimes remember, did I apply my sunscreen on my hand, my arms, like right now. So this is the exposed area of my body, so I apply it on my body and face and neck. Yeah, easy to apply, so good for traveling. I almost finished it to the half level in my recent trip to Himachal. So you can say my colleagues, me, we both loved it. So they were always looking for, Ocean, where's your sunscreen mist? So yeah, let's talk about some makeup products if you are just a makeup girly. So this is a really affordable brand. These are the lip glosses from Love Earth and Lip Mousse. It's a matte lipstick. So it's a set of 10 which I have. So it shows a lot of shimmer though, but it doesn't like show up when you apply it until you apply a dark lipper. And this one is a beautiful bright red color. I can say good for this season, right? It matches my lipstick, like more brighter though. So you can grab the set or you can grab singles from this brand. I highly encourage, if you are looking to gift it to somebody, and if you are building your collection and you just want variety of shades. So I've been using these brands that I worked with recently. I really wanted to give them a credit more than just the ad, because I've been personally using it, and I really love using the products that I create content for. This is the first one. This is more for a part spot treatment. So I have applied it on my affected area here. I avoid going directly to the sun with these treatments. So yes, that's effective one. So their new range consists of hair as well as body care, and I've been regular user of their body lotion, and believe me, it's so lightweight and it's not greasy. Me, who uses brands like Sol de Janeiro and all that, it's lovely. It just sits on your skin, and within seconds it's inside, and it just absorbs without leaving any white cast, any kind of greasiness that happens with many body lotion. So yeah, that was all about the products for this month. Hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you like anything, links will be in the description box, and see you in the next video.